Alistair, I could show you how to make a Venn diagram with Animated. Like you could do it on PowerPoint, but I thought I'd show you Google Slides way to do it. So you just go to a Google slide. Here's some of mine. But if you want to create a new one, just click that plus sign there. And then I'm usually not a fan of these boxes. I like to start fresh. Actually, I'll just copy the one for I'm going to use. So I'm going to use this Venn diagram of a platypus playing a guitar. It's one of my favorite, like, funny Venn diagrams. So one thing I can do is copy that text if I want, paste that onto the Google slide. Then I'm going to maybe make it bold. And then what I'll do is I'll add a shape. See the shapes button here? I'm going to look for a circle. I'll add one circle, and then I will take and format that shape. I'll take out the, it's right here actually, the fill color. I'll make it transparent. And then the outline color, maybe I'll make it red, whatever color I want. I can make it thicker if I want. There we go, so I got my one circle. And then I can highlight it and do a Command D, duplicate. I'm using a Macintosh computer. If you have a Mac, then it's Command D. PCs with a Control D maybe. All right, so I got my two circles. I could have more if I wanted, of course. And then I'm going to go back to my diagram here. And on a Mac, I can like cut out this little picture. This is going to be a little bit sloppy. I'm just doing it fast to show you how to do it. But on a Mac, I hold down the Command key, Control Shift, and then I type the number 4. And my cursor looks like that. And wherever I drag out a box, it'll copy that. And then I will paste that over here. So I've got my beaver playing the guitar in this circle. And then I'll go back and I will get the duck playing the keyboards. Paste that there, shrink it down. Oh, that was again Command Control Shift 4. And then I come back to get my platypus playing the guitar. Command Control Shift 4. If you don't have a Mac, if you have a PC, there's an app called Snippet. It does the same thing I'm doing with these little screenshots. All right, so I got that. I can put him in the middle. I can make this prettier over time, right? So if I want to animate it now, what I'll do, let's say I'll animate from the beginning. If I have something highlighted, I can't get to the animation part. If I have nothing highlighted, I can click on transitions right here. So I'll click transitions, and then I'll click the thing I want to add a transition to. So I double tap my mouse, it zooms. Okay, if I click that term once, I can say add animation. There we go. And it's going to fade in on click. I could change it and fade out and things, but all right. And let's say I add my circle here. The next animation, I'll say add animation. And then the next circle, add animation. And then I'll start with my, say, my beaver playing the guitar over here, then my duck playing the keyboards, and finally my platypus is in the middle. All right, and I am done. I could title this Guitar Venn Diagram. And then it's done. It saves automatically. Last edit was seconds ago. And in this Google Slides, you get this for free if you have a Gmail account, any Google account, and those are free as well. I'm imagining you have a Gmail account. So when you want to see what it looks like, you hit present. And now if I click my space bar, I'll get the title I put up. Then as I'm clicking through, click, 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 click. And there we go. And it's easy enough to share. I'll show you how I'll do it now. I'll share it by clicking share. And it says get link. This right now is going to be restricted. What it means is if I copy this right now and send you this link, only you'll be able to open it. But sometimes it's weird. I'm just one of the people who just says go click it, share it with anybody. So this, I'll copy this link. If anybody in the world types in this link, they'll get to it. I'm okay with that. But just to let you know, I type done, and now I'll go post that link into the discussion for you to answer your question. Hope you enjoy it. Just let me know if you have questions.